Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel for a new video. Lamb chops. Especially dedicated to all the meat lovers. Marinated in Indian spices and shallow fried on a low flame. Stay tuned till the end to learn the process of making it. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. You will need lamb chops 500 grams, salt 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 2 teaspoon, Kabab masala from Shan 1 tablespoon, Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, Turmeric powder half teaspoon, Coriander powder 1 tablespoon, hot chilli 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 tablespoon, Kashmiri Red Chilly Pwd 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoon. Heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Now add all the lamb chops one by one. Saute them. Add salt and mix well. Now add half a cup of water. Cover and cook on a very high flame. Well, you can do this process even in a pressure cooker by leaving it for 1 or 2 whistles. This step is done to ensure that the meat does not remain undercooked. Let the water evaporate. Remove it in a plate and keep it aside. Meanwhile, let's get ready with the marination. For the marination, add all the powdered masalas one by one. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri Red Chilly Pwd, hot chilli powder, Garam masala powder, Kabab masala, lemon juice, yogurt, gram flour or besan 2 tablespoon. Now this is the oil from the lamb chops. Give it a good mix so that there are no lumps remaining. Now add the boiled lamb pieces and coat the marination. Cover and let it marinate for 1 hour. It's done marinating, so let's shallow fry them on a low flame. To a large pan, spray or add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the marinated lamb pieces. Spray some more oil on the top. Let's shallow fry them on a very low flame. Turn the sides of the lamb chops using a thong. Turn the sides occasionally to ensure that it does not burn. Once they are done, remove it on a paper towel. Secure the chops with aluminum foil just to avoid mess while eating. They are done now. Let's plate them and they are ready to be served. Add lemon wedges, thinly sliced onions, and yes, you're good to go. Don't miss to try this recipe and share your valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel.